How you going, everybody? Bit of a late one. I did actually do a video and it all corrupted. So I'm just going to do a bit of an update of where we are and how we're all going, and a bit of a show around the completely trashed tech room. I might do a bit of a clean up tomorrow because it's about time for it. So nothing special happening over there. Got my speakers set up, but that's about it. Over here, been going through some more laptops. And still going through some RAM just to try and get as much of that all kind of separated out and ability to kind of resell it. My inwards goods is looking trashed, so as you can see, there's stuff literally everywhere. But we're getting through it. So, and then over here, which is actually going really well, is all my ignore some of the mess, but is the wiping area. So I've actually managed to get, what have I got? Let's have a look. So I've got a nice batch of hard drives ready to chuck online. And I've had no time to do it. It's been so crazy. The video I was actually producing for you today was actually, I actually ripped out a keyboard out of a Mac what is it? I think it's an M3. I was just doing some testing on it. See, and it's a MacBook 15-inch. I know that much. Air. Yeah, M3. Yeah, there you go. So M3, and the keyboard works. Yay! Which is what you want. So, because it didn't, when it came, it didn't work. So it's actually a good deal. So I'd one of my suppliers reach out. Thank you, because he always looks after me on the prices. And I wanted one of these for a while, but I wasn't going to spend $2,500 on one. And he said, "Look, $750 needs a keyboard." I went, "That's a risk worth taking." So, and look, it could have been a loss on my point, because it was water damage or liquid damage inside, and that's always normally what causes it. So lucky enough, I picked up a keyboard, $60 for the keyboard. I think it's $60, something like that, delivered. And geez, what a repair! Oh, nightmare! It's taken me 3 hours to do it, to change it over. But would I do the same again, or would I get a palm rest? I don't know. Because the palm rest comes with a keyboard in it, so makes it a lot easier. But look, at the end of the day, I did it, and I know how they come apart and go back together. If you do end up doing one at some point, the one thing I would say is definitely all the screws are different. There's like multiple different screws for different areas, and more plates than I've ever seen in my life, like a lot of plates. So the plates being like little covers that go over the flex cables, and just so many different. So I would actually draw a bit of a diagram on a piece of paper and then actually properly mark them out where they're coming from, because that was the only thing I had when I was putting it back together, was I was getting lost on some of the screws didn't look right. I'd done a pretty good job, but not good enough. With one of those, I would definitely go that little bit extra and make sure you definitely do a bit more of that. Now next week, what have I got next week? I don't know if I've got anything planned next week. So if you've got anything you want to see, I'll try and get some repairs on video, but I'm struggling to actually get it where it's viable to put up there. I really wanted the one tonight, but with the corrupt SD card, it was the overhead GoPro was just mangled. So it was kind of jumping all over the place, and was, I don't know, maybe I need a new SD card, I don't know, but I think I might get another camera. So get a proper vlogging camera, or rather than a GoPro, get a proper camera for up there, so it's a bit more reliable. But I've had problems with that GoPro before, but you know, it's just life. So look, I just wanted to give you all an update. Like I say, next week, I've got no plans. So we'll just keep beating through it. I might actually have another batch of laptops coming, so if that happens, I'll let you know. I've got a couple of laptops that came in the other day I've got to go have a look at. So I don't know I don't know what they are, so they're just in that box down there. So I'll have to have a look and let you know. So I can't even remember what I ordered, but they're there. So we'll have a look next week and put a few more things together, and I'll see if we can get some good videos out. I really want to try and get some content out rather than actually just like what you should be doing. I want to actually start producing what I'm doing. So I've got nothing in particular that I can think of, but all good. Just a quick update, quick end of the week update. Day 23. I think that's pretty good. We're going pretty good. So I really want to make sure I get some good content next week for you, but just so you know, we're all going good here. And like I say, wiping station's going well. Got myself a new Mac for cheap, and I'll be selling another Mac. So I'm M1 Mini, or not Mini, M1 Air. So I can do this upgrade. And then I've got another one there too, which I'll see if I can get that done next week. It's an M2 Air, which needs a screen. So I might even see if I can record that, see if I can get a better camera. All good. Have a good night, everyone, and a good day tomorrow. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.